morning, BC Bug.
Hi, I just moved here from Iowa, and I'm having some trouble with tribbles. Is that something you guys can work on?
You're having trouble with what? Sorry?
Tribbles? That's what we
What is?
call them.
What are they? Are they a bug?
Oh, they're like little rodents. Like, do you know what gerbils look like? They look kind of like that. And they
do
make
you guys
this.
Live?
You hear that?
Yeah. What is that?
That's them. They're in the walls, and I think I accidentally brought them back, or not brought them back, but brought them with me. Yeah, from Iowa.
I have never heard of that.
Really?
Are you? Whereabouts do you live? Like, what city are you in?
I'm in Vancouver right now.
You're in Vancouver. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. What I'd like to do is send a technician out to inspect.
Okay, that would be great.
And see what that is. That is so weird.
Yeah, it's keeping me up. I think they hitched a ride in my Enterprise.
How do you call them? How do you spell it? I'm going to Google it.
Tribbles, Tribble.
Okay.
Should definitely Google it, and then you'll see.
Yeah, I'll Google it because it's something that we need to know.
Yep.
For sure. Basically, if a technician comes out, it's $75. But if we do any type of service, you go ahead with something, we'll waive the $75.
Okay. Can I leave my number, and then if it turns out they can help me, they can call me back?
Yeah,
I don't want him to waste
course.
his time if he can't even deal with them.
Not a problem. Okay, perfect. My name is Denise. I'll give you a call right back.
Okay, great. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye.
Bye.